Digital Discovery presents ways to make money online. From $0 to $100,000. Easily. There are many ways to generate money online, but it's important to note that there are no guaranteed methods for making money quickly and easily. However, here are some ideas to help you get started. 1. Sell items online. You can sell items you no longer need or want on online marketplaces such as eBay, Amazon, or Craigslist. You could also consider dropshipping, which is a method of selling products without holding inventory. 2. Freelance work. You can offer your skills and services online by freelancing. Popular platforms to find freelance work include Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. 3. Online tutoring. You can offer your expertise in a subject by becoming an online tutor. Platforms like Chegg, TutorMe, and Schoolly are popular for connecting tutors with students. 4. Affiliate marketing. You can earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services through affiliate marketing. Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Commission Junction are popular affiliate networks. 5. Online surveys. You can participate in online surveys and earn money. Popular survey websites include SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars. Remember, generating money online requires time, effort, and often some investment upfront. Always be cautious of any get-rich-quick schemes and do your research before investing your time and money into any opportunity.